Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maureen Adwera and I am back again with a new video. And in today's video guys, so I've been renovating my sitting room. Those Jamalta, everything, I haven't finished everything, but I decided at least let me also do this part kidogo because nimekuwa sitting room sana, I've been into my living room sana. So this is the immediate part immediately when you are after my living room. When you come here, so I've not done much in this area. There's just this laundry bucket over here, and then there's this sink, and then so this is my bathroom door, and as you can see, kuna some. So you remember earlier I told you that these houses are very old, so kuna this thing I'm supposed to replace. You see the way it's very old. So this hizo mabati zinapanga zenye nini maji shike mbao. So I need to replace it. I'm going to replace it when I paint this door, and then this is my toilet, nothing much. Also, kuna renovation tafadhali fanya ndani, which I'll also let you in. And then now, so why I'm doing this video today is because I want to change this floor. So I don't like this floor because they are old houses. They didn't put tiles, and remember I told you that I love the house because of one, there's water every day, and the rent is very affordable, it's very spacious, and I said things like this I'm going to change. So I want to change it. So I'm hoping so I've bought these what are they called? They are PVC. They are PVC tiles. So that is plastic tiles. I didn't want to put those permanent tiles because this is not my house, so I'm going to, and I also bought black. So I decided to go with black because I'm going to, here everything is going to be white, so I didn't want something again white on the floor, and that's why I decided to buy black. And then this is the glue that I'm going to spread on the wall. Then I put the PVC tiles. So guys, that's just it. So kawaida, before I start the vlog, before we jump into the video, for those of you who are watching this video for the first time, please kindly consider subscribing. If this is the kind of content you like, kindly consider subscribing and turn on the post notification button so that anytime I upload a video, you get notified and so that you don't miss out on anything. So guys, with that much ado, let's just jump in and let me do this floor. I'm also supposed to paint the walls white after putting the flooring, and as you remember, I painted my living room, so I didn't paint. I also painted it up to here, as you can, if you can notice, only up to here. So I also want to paint the rest white. And also there's this part here. There's this part here, guys. I want to put, is it a shelf? I want to put a shelf, but it's going to be with a mirror, so that we arrange our brushing tools and stuff somewhere here. So I'm going to also do that, and also make some few changes in the toilet and my bathroom too. But for now, let me do this. Those are, I think they're going to be part 2. And also, by the way, I'm also hoping that these tiles, they go up to my kitchen, because I also want them to go up to the kitchen. And I also don't like that floor, but let me cross my fingers and hope so. Let me just start. And so guys, I was now applying the glue. I had already swept the floor, so you have to make sure that the floor is very clean of any dust, and you apply the glue, which I was now doing, and you let it rest for like 5 minutes. So then is when now you start putting your plastic tiles. So as you can see, I was still applying the glue. So now after putting the glue and the glue has dried up, I now put my tiles carefully one by one And then guys, it's not hard, it's very easy, as you can see the way I was putting. Then you press them. So I was pressing them so that they stick on the floor. So it's not something very hard. And then you go slowly, step by step, step by step.
In my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
It's actually the 4th day since I put the plastic tiles. I wanted them to go all the way to the kitchen, so unfortunately they were not enough, and I have to add like 2 boxes. So they fit in the kitchen, but that is going to be another project altogether. So I just want to finish with this project of the corridor. I also have to renovate my toilet and do some few fittings in the bathroom. Then that is when I'm going to move to the kitchen. But so today I'm going to paint, because now I'm left with painting the walls. So I want to paint the walls. Then you remember I told you there's this shelf. I don't know if I should call it a shelf or something that I want to place here. And shoe rack. So I'm going to show you those after I've finished painting whatever I'm going to do after painting. So now I just want to paint. I have my paint. Kawaida, you know I like using crown paint. So I have this one. This is called silk vinyl emulsion paint. And then this one I'm going to use it for, I'm going to use it to base. First I'm going to paint this one first, then I finish with this vinyl. It's going to give it that silky look. Again, I know you know what I'm saying. So let me just start with the painting, and of course I'm going to use this to place it down so that when the paints drop, they don't like pick up the tile. And of course I also have my brush here, and so I just want to mix and start painting. So let's go. And so now, as you can see, I was preparing to mix my paint so that I start painting. And for this paint I'm going to mix it with water, because this one is for just basing. And as you can see, I was trying to empty everything. I didn't want to waste it at all. So with this one, by the way, you have to mix, you have to koroga kabisa for it to be smooth and for it to blend vizuri. So that's when you start painting. Just tight mpaka imix kabisa.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they
Ngoja. 1 minute. So guys, I'm done with the first coat, as you can see. You see? And so I just now want to like rest to 5 minutes, and then let it just sink. Then now I start applying the second. Now having my lunch, and I'm having noodles for lunch as I still wait to go and apply. And mpaka niongeze nguvu. That's my hapo kwa background. Na nikipelekea kamera onekane by that time. Hata kimbia hiyo kamera vibaya sana. So acha ni na pump nguvu, then niendelee na kazi. So guys, you can see I'm through with the first and the second coat, and now I'm waiting for it to a bit to dry up, so that I now mix the other one, the vinyl one, the one that is going to give it a glossy look. Now the final look. And I'm also going to do I'm going to do 2 coats on it, and so you can see the way how bright it looks. By the way, don't mind my hair, it is very bad. But kuzoea ma wigs, so people do really can see your mess nimeweka hapo, but we're just going to clean it up. No, naenda kunimixia saa ngapi? So by the way, as you wait, let me just tell you why I've taken long to post. I was supposed to post this video like last week. I was supposed to finish this project last week and I posted, but I didn't manage because there's this project that I told you earlier that I've been following up with my friend, and we've been up and down still following up on it. It's not easy. It looks easy, but actually it's not easy following up on and trying to do something new, but I guess it's coming up, and we're still hoping for the best. We're still working on it, and still also looking for some new places, because the one that we found, you remember we found a 1-bedroom house, and so we were thinking for a project that we're just about to start, let's just not invest so much on rent, like ati kwa nini? So as I was explaining earlier, before I was rudely cut. Ron, wacha nimalizane na vlog. As I said earlier, by the way, there is this project that I've been following up with my friend, and that's why I didn't like. What is it? See, let me just explain. You just go. Just pass. See, you pass. Guys, what is it? You pass. So guys, you see? Okay, I was saying, but they faster. Okay, wait, kidogo. Okay. See, you pass. So as I was saying earlier, by the way, guys, so out of menisumbua, I'll just leave it here, then I'll explain it later before I close the blog. I'm just going to explain to you what's happening, because they can't like hawanipati time. So let me go and animalizane, then I'm going to explain whatever is happening later. Sawa. So guys, I am through with painting, and it's around so what's the time? It's around 7 in the evening, as you can see. So it's a bit, so the place is a bit messed up, and because it's night, you won't be able to see properly. So mpaka kesho, tomorrow, that is when I'm going to now show you how the place looks like juu saizi amweziona sijaweka hiyo bulb yangu ya corridor. So yes, as I was saying, by the way, it's night and I haven't replaced, so hiyo bulb yangu ili burn and I haven't replaced it, so you won't be able to see everything properly. So until tomorrow, because right about now I just want to jump into the shower and shower because I'm tired, and then I prepare supper and then call it a day. So guys, mpaka kesho, let's wait and see how the place is going to look, and then I hope hii rangi nimeweka hapa, the mess that nimeweka hapa, I hope it's, let me just clean it and pray that itatoka, everything itatoka, because I realized ningejua, if I wish ningejua ninge paint kwanza ndio niweke hizi tiles, but either way let's just hope nitazitoa, ndazi clean and nazitoke. So let's meet tomorrow and see. This is it. So this now how the place looks like after painting and putting the tiles, and so I didn't finish completely, because as you can notice there's this mess that I did, especially on the skirting, and somewhere like as you can see, somewhere like hapa kwa mlango. So I didn't mind them because I'm going to paint those areas. I'm going to paint the gray. You remember I'm supposed to paint the doors gray and the skirting. That's why I didn't like have a very clean finish, but the walls, they are okay. And so the only thing now remaining is for me to put the shelf that I told you that I'm supposed to put here for us, that the one that we're going to put our staff products. And then I'm going to also supposed to put like a small shoe rack here, because zile vitu zinavaliwa kila siku. So this is my bedroom, then my daughter's bedroom. So we're going to put like a small shoe rack over there. And then my laundry basket that was here, I replaced it nimpeleka mahali because I just wanted this place to be open. Then this is these are plastic tiles that I put, but if you notice that those small paints, I haven't cleaned them, so I'm going to Google on how to clean them completely. Bado zingine zimestick, zimekataa kutoka, so I'm just going to find a way to clean them. So on my next video, because I can't do it now, I'm going to, when we come back now, is when I'm going to do the shelf and the shoe rack, then also upgrade my toilet and my bathroom. And I don't want to show you that because aziko poa sana. We'll again see them on my next video. So guys, that's just it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also drop a comment. And also, if you remember, I was telling you about our project, which we are still also working on it, and we've also opened a YouTube channel, and it's called the Talk Snack Show, and we've only posted one video, and we've not been active on it because we've not started marketing it, and that is because we haven't found a very specific place on where we'll be doing our interviews, and we didn't want to invest a lot because just a starting project, and we've been looking up in some hotels, and we're still waiting for the management to give us a feedback if we can hold our interviews over there. If not, we'll again find a way. So that's still a working project. So anyway, that's just it. Again, nimefanya kazi nzuri, and I believe nimefanya kazi nzuri. So let's meet up again on my next vlog, which I am also so excited to vlog about. And kama kawaida, from this side to you guys, it's mapenzi tele.